one another, forgive each other, as soon as directed them. The Lord is forgiving. Now you must be the same. Offer all the loaves to keep them together and complete them for oneself. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
The Lord be with you.
And also with you.
The proclamation of the Gospel according to them.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, "As the Father has loved me, so I have loved you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. I have told you this, so that my joy may be in you, and your joy may be complete. This is my commandment, love one another as I have loved you." Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
This is it.